Today I'd like to update everyone a little bit about Medicaid. Now, a lot of people have heard of Medicare. That is medical care for the elderly, 65 and older. Okay, Medicaid is medical aid for people that are younger and lower income. Okay, I know a lot of people have heard of Obamacare, and that's part of the Affordable Care Act. And what happened was the president enacted the Affordable Care Act to allow all citizens the opportunity to have health care. And states had the opportunity to opt to be a part of the Affordable Care Act or not. Ohio chose to, and as a result, received some incentive dollars, which were very, very helpful. We have found that, I just got a report last week that the state has not spent as much in Medicaid as they had anticipated. I mean, still a chunk of change. What we're seeing locally is that people that have not had medical care in years are finally getting it. What happened as a result of the Affordable Care Act is that a lot of people that did not have children did not qualify for other types of Medicaid insurance, and now they do. There's a downside too. People whose income is at a little bit higher level, they don't qualify for the typical Medicaid, and they have to purchase health care through the marketplace, the federal marketplace. Sometimes those premiums are really, really high. And so the program needs some adjustments, but what we're seeing is people have dental care, vision care, medical care that they never had in their adult lives before. People are not using the emergency room as their primary physician as they had in the past. So I think that we, as a society, are seeing more and more people taking preventative action in terms of their health care. So to me, I think that's a real plus. And that's not a political statement, Democrat, Republican, or whatever. It is just from a social service standpoint. We think that people are getting the care that they need, the opportunity to get care that they need, and then they can make the choices from there in terms of how they're going to take advantage of that care. Is it going to be preventative or is it going to be reactive? We want to be able to make sure that all citizens have health care that need it. And so far it's working. There's a lot of things that need to be tweaked, but at this point in Coshocton, we're finding that people are grateful for the opportunity to get health care that they haven't had in years.